Coming to the textile mill, see, I am talking about the textile mill more because textile spinning mills are thousands of mills are there throughout India, and this ring frame application, it's a constant torque application, and 50% of the mill consumption goes towards the ring frame. I am just giving a different types of ring frame energy efficient conversion of these belts and pulleys. You can see it's a Pallava Textile, it's a big group based in south of India, and on this latest machine LRJ9 AXL, from the timing belt they changed over to the cogged belt and they achieved around 3% power savings. The energy savings achieved is around 3%. And from in another textile mill, the same ring frame, previously they were using, decades back they were using Variator type version to change the speed of the spindle from 0 DAF to full DAF, and this Variator has been replaced with the energy efficient cogged belt, and the UKG savings is around 6% and the production improved is around 3%. You can see the before and after conversion, the images, the production improved from 49.5 to 51.2 and the UKG 1.37 has dropped to 1.27. So, the case study explains on in the table how the savings is achieved. Next comes the LRJ9 SX, the image of the before and after with timing belt and with the wedged cogged belt. So, the another case study of a ring frame in the textile mill where LR9 bar X SX, from the timing belt to cogged belt conversion is done, and so around 7.4% energy savings is achieved by this Premier Tex products at South India at Srivilliputtur. And you can see they have done an excellent work and they have done the DAF study and they could see the savings, almost steady savings of energy savings of around 7%, and they have deployed this conversion, energy efficient conversion in all the ring frames. Coming to another textile mill where the ring frame LR6 bar S at RSWM Rajasthan, almost 9% kWh energy savings is achieved in this mill group. From the flat belt to cogged belt conversion implemented by the Veterinary Energy Management Services, the unit of veterinary engineers by Mr. Jayaprakash of Veterinary Engineers Coimbatore, and the units per day before and after, you can see from 650 units it has dropped to 590 units, almost 9% energy savings is been achieved, and the RSWM they are planning to deploy this energy efficient belt and pulley conversion exercise in all their ring frame machines gradually, and they have given this as a letter to say how much of 60 units per day they have achieved. That is what they wanted to convey here after the feedback after this exercise. Another textile mill where LR6X ring frame flat belt to cogged belt has been changed, around 3.2% the UKG savings has been achieved, and there is a scope for higher spindle speed as well. Around, let us say if it is running at 19,000 RPM, around 20,000, around 1000 RPM they can still raise for the same power, and at a comfortable running of the UKG and the machine ring frame they can achieve more as well. So, here the energy saving achieved is around 3%. So, all these hundreds of energy saving case studies has been discussed well in this book, Conserve Energy and Restore Productivity in Machines by the Belts and Pulley Drives. This explains all the detailed explanation is given in each and every case study. So, ultimately you have to ensure the belt is rightly sitting on the groove. This is what how it is wrongly done before and how it is corrected in the left side of the image, you can see it. So, to buy the books online, the Notion Press is the publisher and they have this book available online, and for all the energy management books it is available on this Notion Press as well. The main point which we wanted to suggest here, and the energy saving conversion exercises has been designed and implemented by Mr. Engineer K.S. Subramaniam, is a belt and pulley drives expert, and from Mangal Singh Brothers, Coimbatore. The main point which we wanted to suggest here is, whatever you are trying to buy the belts repeatedly for your industry, you buy the belts and pulleys at one source where the belt dealer needs to be knowledgeable to give the right size of the belts and the corresponding pulleys, and it needs to be replaced once in 5 years only, but the belts and pulley has to be a complementary pair. It has to be rightly matched and it should be precisely matched in such a way that the torque is maintained and the tension is maintained, and you are getting a grip of the belts on the pulleys and you are getting the energy savings as well. Thank you.